The JBL CSLM20B, a microphone manufactured by AKG and branded by JBL. As we all know, AKG manufactures some amazing condenser microphone, but let's have a look whether this is a mess or a hit by AKG, by JBL, by Harman. So friends of Hastech, always access granted, and without wasting any more further time, let me unbox this product. And as per the naming strategy on Amazon.in, this is marketed as a commercial omnidirectional Lavalier microphone with battery for smartphone, laptop and DSLRs, conference calls. Now I just need to ask JBL, why did you mention the term conference call? Do you like Zoom too much? Well, we never know. Let's break its seal and unbox the product. And the flaps are too tight. Yeah, in the box we get a user manual and a product pouch. Let's have a look at the user manual, because I know if you purchase this product you are not going to have a look at it. If you want to read the user manual, you can surely pause the video and have a detailed look. And upon my very first impression, this pouch really feels premium. Like, yeah, they have literally used their research and development for this pouch. I can see that. Wow, that is so much cable. That is 6 meters of cable, just so you know. And we do get a Silica Gel, which you should throw away and do not eat. A disclaimer, which I don't think many follow. And even I am not going to follow and keep it. Let's have a look, what do we get here. We do get some many accessories. This is a windshield. This is an extra one. We already get one with the microphone. And this is the 6.3 mm jack adapter. Now this is used to attach your microphone with the DSLR, and this is the battery which you will require to connect your microphone to the DSLR. You will insert the battery in here. And this is an extra clip. And this microphone is pretty packed in a locking bag. I don't know why, but yeah. Let's have a look at it. We already get an extra windshield and a clip, so no need to worry. Although the windshield is pretty darn loose, so expect it to loose if you are going to use this microphone. And this is a small switch where you can convert the microphone to a DSLR microphone or a smartphone microphone. While in a DSLR mode, it's going to consume the battery, which you have to insert it. Let's open this and let me show you how can you insert the battery, which I'm not going to insert it because I don't have a DSLR as of now. And as that battery is in a airtight lock, it's going to be safe for a long time. And I will be giving my 2 cents about this microphone in the later part of this video with a microphone test and how I feel about this microphone. If by any chance you decide to purchase this microphone, I would suggest you not to untie the bottom wire and untie the top part instead, because it's just too fucking long.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No! No!
And I did this mistake. Wow, this is so much of cable real estate. So unless you really need that much of cable, don't unknot it. Unknot the top part which has less cable as compared to the down one. So this is the raw output from this microphone. Let me just add some audio filters and reduce the audio gain to make it sound much more better. Okay, there are some few things that we need to talk before you can go ahead and buy this microphone. This microphone will not directly support your laptop or your computer out of the box unless and until your computer or your laptop has an dual microphone and a headphone jack, which most of these laptops does not have. They have 2-in-1 headphone and microphone jack. That is a single 3.5 mm jack for both microphone as well as headphone. So you are going to need an external USB adapter per se, or a TRSS to TRS converter if you want to use this microphone with your laptop, because I know most of you content creators, you need to use your microphone with your laptop most of the times. But if you are just thinking to buy a microphone that you are going to use with your DSLR or your mobile phone, this might be one of the good microphones which I have seen. Although you can go ahead and check out the Boya one. I think that is going to sound pretty much good. It's been quite some time I have used their Boya one, but yeah, for that price range, that is really a good one. So what do I say about this microphone? This 950 rupees microphone by JBL, by AKG, by Harman. I personally think this is a miss. For 950 rupees, this is not worth it. There are many other microphones like Boya or Manao, which offer the same features at a less price. And you can even buy a TRS to TRS converter in that price saving. And just so you know, I don't hate this microphone, but I didn't like their marketing style. Like they are marketing this microphone as a commercial microphone. I don't feel like that this is anywhere near a commercial microphone, because you can't use this microphone out of the box directly with your laptop. That was one of my major complaints about this microphone. All that said, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, do leave a like and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Hope to see you in the next one. Peace out.